Hi, welcome to my channel Tools to Work. Today we are going to learn how to convert a cordless tool into the corded one. For this purpose we will need few things. Okay, so the first thing is AC to DC power supply. It will convert 220 volt AC to 18 volt DC. It's 18 volt 17 ampere. That means 306 watts, which is more than enough to run tool. The AC cable is already insulated and connected. Let's check with the multimeter if it is giving us the right DC voltage. Okay, here we go, 18 volt, and that's what we need. So the first phase is done. Let's connect the DC cable. You will have to be careful about the polarity, positive to positive and negative to negative. Okay, so the cable is connected. I'm using two cables so that I can extend the length at any time with the help of male-female cable. The first cable is correctly connected, so let's do it with the second cable, which we are going to connect it with the battery converter. Here's the male-female plug. Okay, the cable is already stripped. So here's the converter that we are going to connect with the tool. I bought it from AliExpress. It converts AEG tools to be used with DeWalt battery, but today we are going to connect our DC cable to it. So let's open it so that we can connect our cable. It's 6 screws. Let's do it. Let's unscrew it. Okay, so here's the converter. Quite simple, no circuitry, just two wires, red and black, positive and negative. So it will make us easy to use. Okay, so let's open the terminal from one side so that we can connect it to the cable we have already made. So here's the connector. We'll have to drill the terminal so that we can attach the cable firmly. Okay, let's drill the hole. The hole is done. We'll make another hole at the bottom of the converter so that we can accommodate our cable. Now we'll have to insulate the cable with shrink heat sleeves. Okay, so here the cable is connected. Now let's put it back together. Almost done. 6 screws. Okay, done. So now let's connect the tool. Here's the tool. It's AEG impact driver. Now we have connected the converter base to its battery terminal, and we will connect the cable to our DC source. Done. Okay, it's working. Uninterrupted, continuous power supply, no battery recharge needed. You can use it at home or in workshop or any indoor place where you have the AC outlet available, so you don't have to charge the battery again and again. And the best thing is that we have not physically altered the tool. It is usable with the battery as well as this cable we just made.